Helm repositories are central locations for storing, sharing, and discovering Helm charts. They act as package registries where teams can publish their charts and users can browse available applications. Think of them like app stores, but for Kubernetes applications. Repositories make it easy to distribute charts across teams and organizations, enabling efficient collaboration and reusability. Every Helm repository follows a simple structure. At its core is the index.yaml file, which contains metadata about all available charts including their names, versions, URLs, and checksums. The actual chart packages are stored as compressed .tgz archives containing templates and resources. These files are hosted on an HTTP server, making them accessible via standard HTTP or HTTPS protocols. This structure enables discoverability, allowing users to search for charts and manage versions across their teams. Helm supports two main repository types. Classic HTTP or HTTPS repositories are the traditional approach, using a static file server with an index.yaml file. They are simple to set up and maintain, working with any standard HTTP hosting solution. The newer OCI repositories store charts as OCI artifacts in container registries. This approach provides unified storage alongside container images and leverages advanced registry features like vulnerability scanning and access control. Both types serve the same purpose, but offer different operational benefits. Several hosting options are available for Helm repositories. Cloud storage services like AWS S3, Google Cloud Storage, and Azure Blob Storage offer simple object storage with HTTP access enabled. Artifact repositories such as JFrog Artifactory, Nexus, and Harbor provide dedicated systems for managing software packages with advanced features. GitHub Pages offers free static hosting directly from Git repositories, making it ideal for open-source charts. Artifact Hub serves as a public registry, where users can discover community-contributed charts from multiple repositories in one centralized location. Helm provides 4 essential commands for managing repositories. The Helm repo add command registers a new repository with a local alias, allowing you to reference it by name. Helm repo update refreshes your local cache with the latest chart information from all configured repositories. Helm repo list displays all repositories currently configured on your system. Finally, Helm repo remove unregisters a repository from your local configuration when you no longer need it. These commands form the foundation of repository management in Helm. Distributing charts follows a 4-step workflow. First, package your chart directory into a .tgz archive using the Helm package command. Second, generate or update the index.yaml file with metadata about your chart using Helm repo index. Third, upload both the package chart and the index file to your hosting platform, whether that's cloud storage or an artifact repository. Finally, users can discover your charts by adding your repository and searching for available packages. This workflow ensures charts are properly cataloged and accessible to consumers. Security is critical when working with Helm repositories. Always use TLS or HTTPS to encrypt data in transit, preventing tampering and eavesdropping during chart downloads. Implement authentication mechanisms using credentials, tokens, or certificate-based authentication to control who can access your repositories. Consider signing charts with GPG keys to enable provenance verification, ensuring users can validate authenticity and integrity. Finally, regularly scan charts for security issues and outdated dependencies using vulnerability scanning tools. These practices protect both chart publishers and consumers from potential security threats.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.